Hi everyone, this is the first video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about an important topic in chess and games where people mess up. That is the concept of key squares. For example, in this position for the pawn on d3, the key squares are c5, d5 and e5. Before looking into it, I would like to define the concept of key squares. Key squares are squares whose occupation by the king in the endgame assures victory regardless of whose turn it is moved. Likewise, if our king was on c5 or d5 or e5, it assures victory for white. Let's see another example. As I have mentioned earlier, in this position, the key squares for the pawn are c5, d5 and e5, and our king is already placed on d5. With accurate play, we can win this position as white. Let's say if it is black to move. King e7, we play king c6, king e6, d4, king e7, d5, king d8, king d6, king c8, king e7, king c7, d6 check, king c8, and the pawn is promoting. Similarly, in this position, if it is white to move, we play this cunning move pawn to d4, and now black is forced to move king e7, king c6, king e6, d5 check, king e7, king c7, and the pawn is promoting now. Let's look at another example. For the pawn on 5th rank, the key squares varies. Not only the 3 squares on 7th rank, here the squares on 6th ranks are also key squares. Let me show you how. Here, as I said, the king is already on key square. We can win this if we play accurately. The accurate moves are king a6, black plays king a8, b6 check, king b8, b7, king c7, king a7, and the pawn is now promoting. Also, beware of stalemate tricks by your opponent. For example, in this position, if you play king c6, black plays king a7, and if you play king c7, black plays this move king a8. And if you try to promote the pawn by playing b6, black king is stalemated and it's a draw. So, in this position, you have to repeat the same position by playing king b6, king b8, king a6, king a8, b6, king b8, b7, king c7, king a7, and the pawn is now promoting. Let's look at another example for the concept of key squares. Feel free to pause the video and try to find the answer. It's white to play and win this position. The best way to win this position by analyzing the concept of key squares. We play king c2, they play king e7, king b3, king e6, king a4, king c6. As I have mentioned earlier, the key squares for the pawn on 4th rank is a6, b6 and c6. Here we play king a5 and black is forced to play king b7, we play king b5, king c7, king a6, and finally we have reached one of the key squares and we are completely winning this position by playing accurately. b5 check, king c7, king a7, and now the pawn is just promoting to a queen. Hope you guys understand the concept of key squares and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more updates. Have a nice day.